Good morning guys! Welcome back! So this is our day 4 traveling with the kids. We are here in the Mola Hotel. And then ito na nga, ready na sila. Parang mga hubog man ng mga bataan eh. Ready na kaming pupunta sa Aqua Park. Pinapili nga sila dahil para sa kanila to yung ating tour ngayon, especially kay Kuya Alex. Pinapili sila kung gusto ba nilang mag-stay dito. Kahapon gusto nilang mag-stay, but yung meron na silang choices if gusto nilang mag-change ng hotel na at the same time merong Aqua Park. So pinili nila yung Aqua Park. So ito na nga, ready na kami. Si Tata na lang yung hindi pa, nandoon pa sila sa taas. Umalis na kami doon. Uy, kasi nandoon na kami sa room. Anyways, nandito sila. Hotel Tamola. Maganda, napakaganda talaga ng hotel, guys. And then the breakfast is so good. Super great. This is our experience in Estonia. Tapos napaka-spacious. Until there, pwede kang mag-churba bells. Pwede kang mag-muni-muni going up there. Kaya lang hindi ako naka-video kanina kasi alam mo yun, sometimes I need to rest in peace. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Like, hindi ako nidala ng camera at saka yung mga bebel lang yung dinala ko at saka phone ko. Kasi pag meron pang camera, parang gusto ko na magpa-sexy na walang camera sa noo. Anyways, so ready na mi. Unexpected yung ating check-out kasi nga sabi ni Tata pag gusto ko daw mag-stay more longer. Oo, gusto ko kasi kanang spacious and then malaki din yung room namin, may aircon. But yung iniisip ko kung ano yung gusto ng mga bata, yun yung gusto ko rin. Importante sila ay sumaya, hindi ako. Additional lang ako na sa'yo. Hindi valid yung feelings ko ngayon. Dapat yung mga bata yung valid. So, asa na yun sila? Hey! Stop playing there! Don't play there. Ayan ready to na sila. Ready to swim. So far, sa mga napuntahan natin, yung pinaka-the best na place na nalaaga na to is like Lithuania. Then second is Estonia. Maganda yung yung ating experience. Sa Latvia, wala masyado kasi wala tayong time. Kaya hindi ko hindi ko masabi kung ano kaganda yung Latvia. At yung Estonia, so great to be here. Wait, where are you going? Where do you want to go? No, later. We need to wait for Tata, love. Tata. Where's Tata? Oh, Tata is there. The dog. Puppy. Hello. Kinain. Your doggy like you. It's not your doggy though.
My doggy.
Oh, you like doggy?
Yeah. My doggy like.
Doggy eat you? Where? But you love doggy, yeah?
But you.
So, yan yung ating hotel. And then, andito lang yung car natin. Chararang! And then, guys, pwede ka rin maglaro dito. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. Kaya lang, nakaligo na kasi kami kahapon, guys, doon sa, sa parang dagat ba? Yung beach nila na lahat nakabigini. But lake lang yun siya. But dito, normal na sa kanila na parang dagat siya. But beach din yung tawag nila. Basta, merong ganyan yung scenario. So, wala naman masyadong dito. Malaki lang talaga siya yung spacious. But, yun yung like, magpabilad ng araw. Meron ding playground at the same time. And then, tapos naman kami doon sa yung parang trampoline. Kami ni Mati kahapon. Hindi lang ako nag-video. Diba? Ay, naka-video pala ako kahapon. Ay, ba't yun? Matt, be careful. There's a car.
Mama, I connect.
Ha? Gusto nilang pumunta sa playground. Be careful! Sobrang ganda dito, be. But, ayan, oh, super spacious. You stay here, love. We're not going there. Oh, napaka-spacious. Diyan yung sinabi ko, di ba? Ayan, diyan kami kahapon. Like, 10 euro per person. So, hindi na kami nag-ice cream kasi na kami ng trampoline. 10 euro kasi per person. So, kami tatlo ni Alex, 30 euro agad. So, wala na kami ice cream budget. Alam mo yun, nagbabudget-budget tayo. But anyway, sino guys? Yes! No, we're going to the car! We go to water park. You want to stay here? Do you want to go to water park or to stay here? Oh, we go to water park. Bye-bye. Siya din, magustong pumunta sa boat. Mahilig kasi ito siya doon, oh. Yan na boat. Gustong-gusto niya. We need to prepare na, love. We need to prepare. Yung boat na yan, gustong-gusto niya kasi ang daming mga challenges. Before ka makaakyat, kailangan mong mag-climb up. And Mati loves everything, you know. Mas siya boat lover too. Hey! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Bye-bye! Come on! Bye-bye, Lily! Charara! Mati is here. Ano yung dalawang batuta? Ah, yan pala yung water park. Oh. Lily, look! Look at that! So nice! Tapos na tayong mag-swimming. Tapos na ako nag-swimming. Biting na natin. Kung meron bang changing. Hala ka, be. Hindi ko maklaro. Pero meron siyang puti. That's what I get for today's video. Kasi ako yung nagbantay sa kanya.
Mama, can you give me the drink?
I think 2 hours.
Mama, can you give me
Yes,
stuff?
Tsaka ilap. You want apple juice? Sit down.
Nothing for me.
Don't act like that. It's not nice, okay?
For me.
Yeah, Tata already buy for you the apple juice. Sit down.
Lily, after pizza, ice cream, okay? Ice cream. After pizza. Ice cream. After pizza, Lily.
Okay, Lily, stop. Mati, stop it. Stop. Just.
After ice cream.
Okay, sit down, Lily. Sit down na, sit down. You will fall down. You will fall down.
Ice cream. After
Okay, guys,
pizza.
nag-aaway na.
After pizza.
Nawala na. Nigunita na siya. You have ice cream. Do you want ice cream, Alex?
Order 3 pizza.
It's a lot of pizza.
Oh.
What you will say?
Thank you. Zależ mu logo, a on jeszcze ci za to dziękuję.
To się nazywa wychowanie.
So?
I eat the ice cream of Matt and he say thank you.
Thank you for giving ice cream.
What is
No, thank you for eating my ice cream.
It's cute.
Pwede sila gawin.
Order 3 pizza. Chicken, pepperoni and margarita.
To this video, ay ano siya, nasa dagat na talaga tayo, pero guys, take note, yung dagat nila dito is parang nilagyan pa rin ng ice kahit sobrang init na dito, guys. Like, ilang temperature ngayon? 30 siguro, pero grabe yung tubig dagat nila, sobrang lamig pa rin, kaya hindi ko ma-dare na anong tawag nun? Mag-swimming doon. But anyway, yung mga batuta ko, pinasuot ko sila ng ganito dito. Pinasuot ko sila ng parang t-shirt kasi ayaw ko silang ma-dark chocolate gaya ko. Kasi alam niyo na mga bata is, pag nasa eskwelahan sila, especially si Mati, is lagi siyang nagtatanong, bakit daw yung kulay niya, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, yung iba puti, lalo na si Lily daw puti. Kasi naman si Lily is hindi siya masyadong na-expose. Si Mati is sobrang exposed niya na at the age of 1 to 2 years old. Grabe, lagi tayo, di ba, nagbabakasyon, pumunta tayo sa Greece, Cyprus, kasama si Kuya Alex, lalo na especially si Kuya Alex pag Summer, ano, lalo na every summer time, then every time na sa Alex ay nasa amin, ginagala talaga siya namin kasi yun ba yung sundo ba nila sa Paris ng New Year nila. So, ganyan yung ano guys. Pag nandito si Alex sa amin, kailangan siya namin hindi naman talaga kailangan, but si Tata, siya mismo yung nag-ano na gusto niyang igala si Alex pa. Then sabi ko, okay lang naman na kayo lang magala-gala, hindi na kami kasama kasi hala guys, every time na magbabiyahe kami, ako yung feeling ko pagod na pagod ako. As in, kasi alam mo yon yung lahat ng Muslim mga gawain is ikaw yung gagawa. But anyways, masaya naman yung mga batuta. That's the most important. Lily! Si Lily si Lily lang din dito. Siya lang yung binabantayan ko ngayon. Kasi nga yung tatlong barako, pumunta sila doon banda oh. Doon sila pumunta. And of course, tingnan nyo. Hindi naman ako nakasuot ngayon ng nangihi ko rin is brakdat ay. Ngihi ka, day? Ngihi ka na? Hindi ako nakasuot ngayon ng hindi ako nakasuot ng lower kasi nga hindi ko na naman alam na papunta pala kami dito sa dagat. Kasi sabi niya kahapon, bago ako natulog, na mag-ano lang daw kami. Walking ngayong araw na to kasi kahapon sobrang pagod lahat ng mga tao sa bahay ni Kuya kasi sobrang init tapos nag water park kami. So akala ko naman na hindi kami mag-aano ngayon. But here, nandito na tayo sa Baltic Sea. But tapos yung importante is, kaya naman din natin meron namang changing area, but doon man guys, napakalayo yung box na yun. Hindi na lang pumunta doon, no? Di siguro pa yung upper na. Pero pwede naman ako change ng lower, but hindi ako nag-change. Oh, naka-short lang. Sila nakatibak lahat. Hindi guys, sa atin sa Pilipinas, kung nakatibak ka, daming chichiburichi yung mga kapitbahay or yung mga tao sa baligid mo. But dito, wala silang pakialam. Like, normal outfit yan kasi. Sa atin is, gusto nila is magja-jogging pants. Magja-jogging pants. Gusto nila perfect na gusto nila, pag naka-bikini ka, dapat perfect ka. Dito, yung kulay ko yung gusto nilang i-goal. Yung kulay ko yung goal nila na sa atin, yung kulay nila, yung goal natin, no, ng mga Pilipino. Kasi gusto natin pumuti. Like, gusto natin yung wala sa atin. Example, tayo ay flatness, so gusto nating maglong. Pero sa akin, okay lang naman ako. Iba-iba kasi tayo ng wants and likes sa life. But anyway, guys, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung view kung nagsasawa na kayo sa aking mukha. There, Lily is here. Oh, nandito yung club kay ni Mati. Binigay yan ni Ate Nieva. Doon yung gamit namin. And then, ayan, nagbibila talaga sila para makuha nila yung aking kulay. Sana all. O, diba? I'm so proud na nagbinibilaran talaga tayo. Sino ka dyan? Tapos tayo, normal lang yung kulay natin. So, I'm so thankful na naging brownie ako. Brownie! Na naging kulay ko is morena. Kayo manggi. And I'm proud to be Filipino. So, hindi na tayo magagrow tayo kasi napakamahal kaya ang kulay natin. Kung hindi nyo lang alam, kulay brown talaga yan sila. Iwan ko nung tawag ng machine na yun na para ma-brown lang sila, ma-golden brown like us. But sa atin, napaka-rich na natin sa ating kulay. And we're so beautiful in our own way, by the way. So, kahit ano sabihin man, kahit ano pa masabihin ng iba dyan na ganito, pangit ako, or whatsoever, pangit ka ba, or kanang ang dami nilang hanap sa beauty natin dahil may sinusunod sila na beauty standard. Don't think about them. Think about what makes you happy. Gawin mo yung mga gusto mong gawin. Huwag mong isipin yung mga sasabihin ng ibang tao. Pake nila, hindi naman sila nagbigay sa iyo ng isang butil ng bigas. 'Di ba? Hindi sila yung nagpakain sa iyo. So wala silang pakialam sa buhay natin. So kung meron mang nag-discriminate sa iyo as pag nakita mo yung video na to, kiber ang mga marites. Ang mga bad marites. Ikiber lang natin sila guys. So huwag kayong magpa-apik. because that's part of our life. And sila yung ano din, yung nagme-make sa atin na maging stronger tayo ngayon. Kasi hindi naman ako perfect, no? Naranasan ko rin yung naranasan nyo. So, see you guys later. Ay, nandito na pala sila. Oh. Where's Tata? Ayun, nakita ko si Alex kasi naka-neon green. Lele is looking for you, my love. You ran away?
Fast over there and over there.
Uh-huh. What did you see there? What did you find?
I found a blanket because the people that with that gel.
Huh?
The people of one gel and stopper. And that people's gonna go because there's a gel.
Can you tell us how's the water? Is it cold or hot? Warm?
Yes.
It's cold. How is the water, Lily? The water is cold or warm? Is it warm or cold? Lily? Is it warm or cold? So, kung napapansin nyo, twinny kami ngayon ni Lily. Meron kaming dalawang sungay. Gusto ko kasi namin maging Pikachu or maging Bunny. Ako si Pikachu, siya si Bunny. Bunny naman siya since birth. Kasi gustong-gusto niya maging Bunny, guys. Gusto talaga nilang mangitim, guys. Gaya natin. Kaya lakad sila ng lakad. Nagpapainit. Si Tata lang yung naka-t-shirt dito. Ewan ko, not feeling well kasi yan siya. Ikalibanga agahapon. Before kasi kami lumayas doon sa water park kung saan tayo naligo kahapon. Kumain kami ng ng pizza. Then after kumain, nag-driving na kami going sa hotel kung saan tayo natulog kagabi. Hay, nako guys. Pinaningot siya ng maraming singot kasi nga, gikalibanga siya. Sumasakit daw yung tiyan niya. Tapos gusto niya nang magpuupo na. I know the feeling na kung ganun yung mangyayari sa'yo no, after mong kumain tapos kalibangaon ka. No, nako. Pag nakapunta ka na ng toilet, you feel like you're in heaven talaga.
Oh, hey, Tina in Estonia. Nice, Bobby. Sexy lady.
Sana all.
Oh. How are you?
It's too hot.
We've been in Russia.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
There, behind this stone.
So it's Russia? Ah.
Our holiday point is complete. Now we can relax.
Ah. So this is Baltic Sea?
Yes, this is Baltic Sea. Very similar like in Poland.
Like in Gdansk? Gdansk, yeah? Like in
like
Gdansk.
Gdansk, yes.
Have you been in Gdansk?
Yeah, but in the Gdańsk, horn.
Selling, in Poland we have, some shops.
Selling?
Yes, selling and people walking with it.
We have also chips. We have cookie. Yeah, there's a lot of people somewhere there.
Yeah.
But we plan to stay here. We love less people. It's very cold. It is very cold, yeah?
No, it's not cold.
What are you doing, love? Are you collecting stones? And you're going to give it to Tata?
No.
No?
No. Go to water.
No, it's very good. I prefer to stay here.
You have swimming suit?
No.
And this is what it is.
It's only short.
But can be wet?
No. I don't have anything.
No, come on. Come on to water. Come
I
on.
don't what?
Come
I don't
on.
want to be wet. I don't have any more shorts.
Come on.
No.
It's not cold.
Tata want to wet.
Wait, Mama. Wait, Mama.
No, I will.
Wait, Mama.
Awa, Lili. Na.
I don't have shirt.
Wait, Mama, Mati. Mati, wait, Mama. Oh, I have camera. Oh, like antelope. Cała nasza zabawa na plaży. Our fun. No, Mati.
Ay, tata. Everyone's gotten. Alam mo, pansudan ka sa niya. Kita dati may
Już, Mati, mam kamerę.
Tata. Nie chcesz dalej popływać.
Okay, enough, Mati. Enough.
You think you teach them?
Are you wet? I'm wet too.
Yeah.
Good. It's holiday. And today we have the hotel on the beach.
Hotel on the beach.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Hotel on the beach. Guys, put in the comment section, do you like it, the Baltic Sea? It's cold, about 23 degree plus Celsius.
23.
Yeah.
Like 20 degrees Celsius.
Only 20? No, it's a very hot sea.
No, they're going there.
And there is the Russian border with European Union. Behind the stones, it's the Russia. It's the reason why we arrive here. And we won't see Estonia,
There is
Baltic
no
Sea.
war anymore in Russia.
All the time it's war.
It's no more.
Yes, still, because war is in Ukraine. Russia, in here it's no war, but Russia fight all the time with Ukraine. And everywhere I hear the Russian language. Here. Lily!
Really so far.
Where is she? Come on. Sea is very dangerous, you know? Every moment can be very, very deep. Don't left kids like Lily now. Because you can make one step and fall down to deep. What do you say? How your holiday?
It's very hot.
Very hot.
Burning.
Yeah. I have skin burn too after yesterday.
Why you don't remove your t-shirt?
Because I don't plan it today to...
Yeah, that's
You know,
why I do.
But it's salty water or not?
No.
Check it's salty.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. No shower.
No, it's okay.
No shower. No shower. And very, very long way to be deep. Look, Alex, it's 50 meters and still have less than knee water. Okay, we see you later in next beach.
I feel dizzy, Lily.
Dizzy?
Enough! Enough!
Really feel dizzy too.
She wants more. She wants more.
It's cold?
Very full.
Oh! Like on speedboat. Very nice.
So guys, kakatapos lang namin brunch. Kakatapos lang namin mag-brunch and we're going back to the car. Yeah, kumain kami. Ewan ko anong oras na ngayon kasi wala akong watch. And then my phone is inside the bag. And, hindi ko masabi kung anong oras na. Hapon na ata. Yes, hapon na ngayon, love. I will check my phone. Mura na ba tagli ko, ano? So ito gani. Atong utok, ani, bagay taya-taya na. Hindi na natin alam kung nalagay ko na yung phone ko sa bag, pero feeling ko wala pa rin siya sa bag ba. I'm so busog. Busog-lusog kasi in-order na ko ni tata na chicken. Plano ko sana, hindi na ako mag-order kasi yung mga ano lang ni tata yung inaano ko. Yung sobra-sobra ni tata ba? Yung hindi. I mean, yung sobra-sobra ng mga bata, yung gusto kong kainin kana. But, tinag-order man siya. Napalamon tuloy ako. Hay! Tapos, itong batuta na to, ayaw niyang mag-ano. Ayaw niyang maglakad. Naging tamad pagkatapos kumain. Ito kasi siya, nag-chicken soup din. Hindi siya mahilig sa french fries. But mahilig siya sa chicken soup, pasta, macaron. That's what she wants to eat. I'm so busog. So, meron na naman akong energy.
Mama, what's that?
I don't know. I don't know what is it.
What is that, mommy? Mama,
Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss one. Kiss one. Ah, thank you.
Yeah.
Love you.
Mama.
It's so hot, guys. Grabe, it's so hot. But, tingnan nyo naman. We're still in Estonia and the place is so beautiful. Without people. Yung mga nakasalamuho namin, not speaking English. Anyway, marunong naman tayo mag-inamang. So, it's still okay. Ayan, meron ditong shop if you want to buy something. But, hindi tayo nag-ano ngayon. Hindi tayo nag-looking for buy. We are not looking to buy something. But we are looking for fun. Especially for the kiddos. Yeah, my love. Kiss me, kiss me. Bleh. See you guys later. Dito na tayo sa car.
Hi, camera mama.
Oh, hold my camera, please.
Hi. Today, I want to build Mickey Mouse Lego.
Really?
Yeah, because I see Mama need to give me the phone so I can build the structure from Lego Mickey Mouse.
Maybe. We go to Fortress or to Fortress?
It's up to the kids.
Kids don't do it. There's a bunch of Fortress on. Not outfit yet. But you're really sure.
Mama, I don't want to go to the forest. I want to go to hotel. Because I need a construction Mickey Mouse Lego from the mama extraction from Mickey Mouse.
Salonie ma klimatyzacji.
Hello?
Zombie.
What did you tell them?
I told them you need to give me the phone to build extraction.
Did you tell them that?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I didn't tell that I will give you the phone. You're not allowed to hold the phone.
I can a little bit. I can watch.
Oh, you can watch a little bit. That's right. If with mama permission. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Mama, can you watch phone, please? A ta dziękuję za nosić.
We are like coffee mate. White and brown. But I'm coffee latte.
I know it's messy.
So, happy ko kayo guys. What do you want? So, we're ready to go. We're going to the hotel now so we can dance. Oh, we're not going to the shop?
Later.
How about in the Aptica? You said we're going to Aptica. You know, guys, after eating, they're all like a pig. They just wanna rest. A guy! Why you bite me? You're not gonna do that. Say sorry.
Yeah.
Really?
Baba?
If I speak to your sister, do not laugh. Because you think it's funny. Do you understand? Here, first time ko makakita ng falls nila. Ang kulay ng kanilang falls ay malakapi. Tingnan niyo yung tubig na dumadalay going down there. And then, ito na nga't gusto nilang magtabok-tabok ba na parang sapa din siya gani. So, I'm gonna show you down here. Gusto din nilang maligo. Pero grabe, sobrang lamig. Napaka-icy din yung tubig. And, ayan na nga sila. Ito lang yung solo falls na nakita ko dito, no, sa ating paghalagala sa Europe. And here's the surroundings. Oh, dito rin sila. Isa din to sa mga tourist spot na dinadayo nila dito. So, hindi na kami nag-touch ng tubig kasi nga hindi kami nag-touch ng tubig kasi kami sa tubig kasi kulay kape. And then malapit lang yung ating check-inan dito kaya nag-stop over kami para makita yung beauty ng Yagala Falls. Malapit lang siya sa parking lot which is good kasi alam niyo naman natapulan si Oka maglakad-lakad pero maganda siya dito kung gusto mong mag-picnic kasi sobrang tingnan nyo naman ang grass. And then, maraming puno. Kung gusto mo magmuni-muno, it's really good place to go. Oh, tingnan nyo. And then, hindi ko pa na-search kung ilan yung population ng Estonia, guys. Since nandito pa tayo sa Estonia until now. So, if you know, if you have time, comment in the comment section how many people yung nandito sa Estonia. Kung sa Latvia, ilan yun? Sa Lithuania, 2.6. Sa Latvia, 1.8 million. And then in Philippines, 100 million kapin. Oh no. Ang dami natin, no? Super productive yung Pilipinas. Super productive. Ang daming tao. Tapos ang liit lang ng area. Dito kasi malalaki yung area nila. And then mostly, puros kahoy. Hindi sila more on making baby. Ligaya natin na napaka-productive. Yeah, how many people here in Estonia? Because I didn't check. I think this Estonia have smaller or less population than Latvia and Lithuania. We'll check. Are you guys ready? You're not yet ready? Hello guys! Here's another beach moment. Nandito na tayo sa Estonia. Look at that. Sobrang dami yung tao, pero grabe yung dagat. Tapos dagat nila sobrang lamig at hindi ko carry. Pero yung mga batuta ko is of course, nandun. Perting kuan langoy-langoy kasi hindi na sila tinatabla ng lamig. Sana yun yung katawan nila. And anyways, this is our costume for today. Ayan. Upper lang yung nag-change. Hindi, nag-change na ako ng bikini. Hindi pa ako nag-change. Hindi niya nakikita kasi yung pa-sunset na kasi. Sunset na naman. And, yung hotel namin, ayan lang. Nandyan lang din. So, yung front ng hotel is ito, yung beach na. Hindi pa kami nakapunta sa sa swimming pool, but tingnan niyo kasi nandito kami sa yung nasa St. Patrick kami, guys. Nag-search na ako kanina kung ano yung capital city kasi nandito kami sa capital city ng Estonia. It's not salty? Yeah, it's not. It's not salty. Hey, Lily! I'm here, Lily! Lily! La! Lily! Lily! Where are you go? I'm here, my love. I'm here. No hugging. Because you're wet. It's black. Where's Kuya Matt and Kuya Alex? Where's Kuya Matt and Alex? Where are they? Where are Kuya Matt and Alex? Where are you going? It's deep on there. It is deep. And then, yung maganda dito is meron ding playground dyan, guys. And look at that. Not too many people, but there's a lot of people somewhere there. Doon naman sa Burakdad. So, update ko kayo mamaya, guys. Hindi ko kayo naka-video sa room. But nagpahinga kasi kami, kaya hindi ako naka-vlog agad-agad. But anyways, makikita din nyo naman later. Bye-bye!